but it needs a side dish. I'm making a corn salad because it's a summer food for me. Stopping at a roadside U-Pick stand for fresh corn on hot weekends is one of my fondest childhood memories. Normally we just boil the corn, salt it, butter it, and eat it. Simple and good. Today I'm making a corn salad fit for a wine tasting party. It's a warm hominy salad with peaches, basil, and feta cheese. I'm not a chef, but I still like to get everything together first. That way I don't have to stop midway through a dish to chop something up or pull an ingredient from the back of the pantry. I can just cook. So I have everything diced. The onions, peppers, peaches, and the basil, very finely chopped. And there's chunked up feta cheese. Those are the accompaniments to the hominy. Okay, this is top secret. This is hominy from a can, but who cares if you can make it taste good? Now that the excess water has drained away, I'm heating the hominy in the microwave until it's just warm. Then I can mix everything up. In goes the peppers, onions, and peaches. Let's dress this salad up a bit. Put this out in a nice bowl and top it with the cheese and the remaining basil. This dish might be the first to go at a summer picnic.